how to fix mouse not working or mouse stuttering in Windows 11. Firstly, go to Windows and search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Go to Mice and Other Pointing Devices, and from here make sure your device is listed and right click on the option, and firstly update the driver. And if the driver is updated and your mouse is stuttering, right click on the mouse again and click on uninstall device. And after the device is uninstalled, restart your computer again with the help of your keyboards, and your mouse should work well. But if this still does not help, go to Windows, type in Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and go to Mouse. And here you can see scroll inactive windows. When hovering over them, disable the option, and this should work pretty fine. So this is how you fix mouse stuttering on Windows 11.